All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are currently in a long right now and a short. So, we're on a short on Bitcoin and we're on a long on Gala. Gala, because we've actually reclaimed this trend line we're watching, um, showing a lot of strength, and this is still a major weekly support level. So, I'm not fading this just yet. This is a major weekly support level on Gala. We bounced into it strongly, and now we've bounced back into this falling wedge here. But the falling wedge actually goes quite a bit further back. So this is a major, major level. So um, I'm not really interested in fading this just yet. I think we have more to go on Gala. Now, as far as the overall market conditions, you got to be very, very careful, guys. Like, obviously, the market's very bearish. There's a lot of bad stuff going on. But I'm also not that quick to just give up on. I do know that bounces do come. So let's go ahead and get everything up. I didn't actually prep for the stream. I sort of just started it. So work with me here. But yeah, how are you guys doing today? Let me know how y'all are doing. So far, it looks we're actually up on this right now. Let's see, share. Let's do it. Yeah, I am expecting Gala to keep pumping, though. We are starting to break out of this wedge slightly, guys. Very, very slightly. But I also know how incredibly bullish Gala can get if we start pushing up. So I'm probably up around, well, I'll tell you right now, I'm up 5% right now on our trade. My average entry was at 6987. I need to adjust that. 6987. 6987. I think this is my original profit target. I'm probably gonna take all my profit here. Let's be real. Just it's too bearish right now. If we do get a massive break on Gala BTC, then I'll go ahead and actually probably hold on to it for a while longer. But I'm gonna go ahead and take quite a bit of profit there as of right now. So. What is up going? How are y'all doing? There we go. Alex here, CB's here, Javier. How are you guys doing? All right, I gotta publish this live stream now. Everyone. Ooh, I can't type today. And again, I did not prep like at all. We just jumped on and we're doing it. So, all right. But either way, we entered this long. It looks pretty solid so far. It's very, 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 very early. I'm still in a short on Bitcoin. My average entry was 29,418. So 29,418 I entered. So around here is where I entered. It dropped down. Guys, I'm really cautious on this accelerating quicker than a lot of people are expecting. I just don't necessarily think it's going to happen yet because guess what? We're still in this range, y'all. Like, we're still in the range, and like I'm really cautious on being too bearish at this moment because we're still just raging. So okay, I also don't want to close my short out yet. I have a good, actually, let's go ahead and move my invalid, let's go ahead and move my short to entry. So my short was entered, how do I do this? Let's think about this. At what point is this short invalidated? Coming back up here does not seem unreasonable. I would think if we were to, I think 29.7, that's probably where my invalidation's at. I'm going to go ahead and move it back up a little higher. 29.7. All right, that's my invalidation. What the fuck? I don't need that. Okay. Yep. So, I need to see Gala break out of here. If we break out of here, like, guys, I don't know yet. This could really accelerate more than people are thinking. That's my thought process because this is still a major, major trend line. You guys can see this. This trend line has been forming. It looks like possibly a breakout. We had a fake out earlier, but the fact that we dipped below it and now we're back inside this range to me is a really, really bullish sign. And if we're able to bust out of here, I'm pretty damn bullish at that point, right? So far it looks good. We are up 4% right now. This is definitely an area I'm looking to take profit at, but I don't think I'm going to take all of the profit off. What about Bitcoin? Do I just want to add? I may just add some more shorts up here. Or I may just look to add a short up at the trend line. That's probably what my thoughts are. All right, either way. Hey, what's up, C4? What's up, buddy? All right, I'm going to pull my comments up on my phone so I can see what you guys are saying without having to pull it up on here. All right. Cool. Any news on NKR? I don't know. Is there news on NKR? Like, is something going on? You know, I don't follow news and fundamentals, so don't know. But we can look at the chart. Maybe the chart will tell us something, because I have no clue, honestly. ANKR. I really need to focus more on high time frame. I think I'm getting too distracted by the low time frame stuff, and I'm not focusing enough on high time frame. And I need to change that. So I think I'm going to start focusing a lot more on the lower or the higher time frame and enter into higher low leverage, high invalidation, or like loose invalidations. That's probably what I'm going to start going into, more of like laddering into positions on the higher time frame, because I think when I'm getting so caught up in these low time frame movements, I'm starting to get shaken out of positions I should just held on to. So, like, for instance, a good example, the link play from last night, right? Dude, I caught an awesome short on Link, and Cryptstock, there you go. Cryptstock's right here. Awesome. So, Cryptstock is, he actually called it out for me, and I entered into a really, really good position on Link. And I actually closed it way too early. So, do I feel bad about why I closed it and all that crap? Honestly, no. Yeah, I entered to a short on Link. Oh, wrong one. I entered into a short on Link at around 9:35. 9:35 is where I entered into it, and right now we're currently at 8:39. I went ahead and closed it because I was just, really terrified of the low time frame. But if I would have zoomed out, I mean, obviously it would have been a really, really good play. So I did not. So I made a mistake there. So I think I want to start focusing more on the higher time frame stuff. So yeah, we have this falling wedge as well. This is why I entered right here on a Gala. Once we had that breakout, I entered into it. And as you guys can see, we're up a little bit so far. On the BTC pairing, this very easily can accelerate, okay? If this breaks out, this absolutely can accelerate in a big way, okay? One step at a time. Right now, we have this minor wedge we've broken out of. However, this very easily could turn into a bigger play very aggressively, okay? One step at a time. But yeah, there's that. What are you guys' thoughts? Do you guys think this whole market is just fucked and we're going to go down to nothing? Do you think is that what's going to happen here, or are we going to be able to recover somewhat? Because I'm very, very, very conflicted right now. So, like, I do have an open short, and I also have an open long. So, little weird, but is what it is. Waves. Why? What am I looking at? Okay, weekly breaker. I like that. 3-day breaker. I like that. Are you long on this? Are you long? I don't love the BTC pairing. I don't like us being beneath there. You are long? Okay. I see why you're long. Here's my issue with it. Below the 4-hour 200, below the 4-hour 200. That to me is concerning. We have no show of strength yet on waves. There's no uptick at all. That's my biggest concern on waves. I don't. It needs to prove more to me. Like this is a show of strength to me. I like this show of strength. You see how it popped down, but it immediately had a really nice reaction. We've had several candles of it going up. Waves does not have that on the BTC pairing, right? See how we keep dropping? So it would have to be a knife catch. So we don't have a show of strength yet. I'm interested, but not yet. Oh, as a hedge, makes sense. Okay, I can see that. I think that you're probably right. We will have some upside soonish on waves, more than likely, but I want to see more show of strength. And the only one I know it's crazy to say, the only one I've really seen a good show of strength on is right here. This right here is a really nice, just it's really holding up very well. And nothing has really changed. USD pairing at the 618 and 4 hour. Okay, all right, let me look at this. You know I like my 618s. Right here? Okay. If you're right, I will enter to it. Oh, man. USDT pairing is at the 618. BTC pairing is... Oh, man, I think you're right. I know you're right. I don't... Oh, man. Man. Show me any strength and I'm in. Literally anything. Give me something here. All right, we have a bullish divergence. Not on the hourly, but on there. 15-minute bullish divergence. That's all I have right now, dude. Oh, this is close. Gala's breaking up, possibly. I want to see a little more strength. Give me just a little bit, and I'm in. Give me just something, bro. But yeah, I like it, though, but I don't love it just yet. Hey, give me 1 second, guys. I'm going to take my dogs out real quick. All right, how are we doing? Gala's retracing a little bit. BTC pairing is still up really high. Not interested in fading this just yet, guys. So Bitcoin looks to be dropping, right? Okay. Bitcoin's collapsing a little bit. Gala BTC is still holding up. BTC pairing. I want to see a little more on waves. Okay, testing that 15-minute breaker still. Yeah, this 15-minute breaker I think is pretty damn important. So this is my real litmus test right now in the market. Now, here's the important thing. Ethereum needs to get it back above 1700. Big. Like, this has got to happen pretty damn quickly if we're going to have any sort of strength in the market. That's so important. All right, Crypt stock. Let's see. It's a clear level, guys. Like, I see where you're at. I want to see a little bit of strength first. I want to see a little bit of strength, but I think that's a really, really, really good play if we can get some movement on Bitcoin pairing. And I don't need much. I just want to see some sort of reaction. Like, if I get this right here, I'm in. That's all I want, okay? Just something like that to show me that it's holding up relatively well, and I'm down. Just like on Gala, right? This is what I got. You guys see the same structure, okay? Up. You guys see that? This is what I want on waves. I want that structure, but right now we don't have it. So get that, and I'm right there with you. But I want a little more confirmation. But yeah, it looks good, but not great just yet. Gallo's still holding up pretty well. 735 region. You guys can see that. Bitcoin still is slouching over. I don't love that. Ethereum has to turn soon, guys. Like, Ethereum can drag the entire market down, and that's what I'm really concerned about. So continuation back down would be really, really bearish for the altcoin market. But you are going to have some coins that hold up really well. Like right now, Gala's doing it. KNC's doing it right now. Link is starting to a little bit, maybe. Theta? Nope. Unify, just falling wedge. Maybe. I'll put that on my watch list. Okay, nothing yet there. Adam, I know Adam had a really rough time. Okay, so this actually looks fairly decent. You see how the BTC pairing is rounding up? I'm okay with that. Or this is like legitimately rounding up. This is what I need from Waves before I start diving into it. What about Band? Oh, shit. This is strength. You guys see this? Band is showing some serious strength. I don't want to buy Band until we come down to the 4-hour 200. And I have a set. I have an alert triggered down there. So if we come back down here, I'll be interested in getting some Band at the 4-hour 200, but not yet. Gala is finding resistance, but like this is where the breakout should happen, right in this region. KNC, strong recovery. What's going on here? What level is this? This is 618. It is. Okay, so KNC actually looks really good here. I may pick some up. I don't like the 4-hour 200 being right here. Oh yeah, it's really sketchy. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I have no doubt about it. But I'm also a degenerate trader, so I'm okay with this. Not really much there. 618 though, it's holding up right now. Waves, 5-minute chart, nothing yet. Gala still holding up. I like Gala. I think that makes the most sense right now. Then back up in the moment. Yeah, that sounds about right. So DXY is also at a consolidation point, right? So it's consolidating. It could be a distribution. It could be an accumulation. We really don't know yet. But it definitely is at some sort of a range currently. Balancer's been a big one lately. Let's see where we're at. No. API 3 has been a big one as well. This is Ape. So Ape is currently at the bottom of this range. You guys see that? So I'm actually interested in a long on Ape simply because we're at the bottom of this range. And we did sweep it, right? We did sweep it. I want Ape. So you guys see that, right? We went below it and we swept it. This looks really good. Where would I target? It's aggressive, but I think it makes sense. %9 increase. 1% risk. I think I like this. Honestly, I do. I think I'm going to do it. Bitcoin dominance is now up high. It's terrifying. It's terrifying, y'all, but you know, we got this. BSV was holding up really, really well the last few days. It's still holding up pretty damn well, given everything. I think I like this, though. Anything in the mid-range? This hourly breaker, it's not great. I'm gonna take this, guys. I'm gonna take an ape trade. So I'm gonna target this. So the reason why we swept it, and we haven't we've actually closed back above it. So like, I think it's a show of strength. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Is it dangerous? A little bit. Yeah, it is. Right? But I think it makes sense. So technically, it makes sense here. I'm going to go ahead and do this. 118.5. Okay, 118.5, and I'm going to target. Oh, this is a lot. I think it makes sense, though. I'm going to go ahead and target this daily breaker. 170.53. That's what I want. I think it makes sense, so I'm going to go ahead and take it. And the thing about Bitcoin, trust me, I know, guys, this is terrifying, right? The fact that we broke down from here is freaking terrifying. But trend lines are not everything, okay? There's other stuff to look at. And if you look at this right here, this is still a massive range, right? And right now, we are on the bottom side of the range, okay? So until we actually definitively break down from a range, like I'm still looking for longs. We're on the bottom side of the range. It has worked every single time. This is the bottom of the range. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a long on Ape because I think it makes sense. I want to get my bids filled, though, if it's going to. Yeah, Gala BTC is holding up really, really well. Oh, also, by the way, on Gala, this is a weekly breaker. So we're on a weekly breaker. We bounce from it again. So, like, trust me, I know, Gala. I know. I have been wrecked on this coin multiple times, but I'm really not interested in stopping my direction because, like, it just makes sense. Why are my bids not getting filled? Oh my god, I didn't replace it. Are you kidding me? Wait, why are my bids not showing up on here? Oh, I see why. Whatever, it's fine. All right. So yeah, Gala is bouncing from the bottom side of the range. Looks really solid. I have a well risk-defined area. Yeah, I still like it. I still like it, y'all. Okay, so Ape is now partially filled. I'm going to go ahead and place my stops. And again, I'm taking a 1% risk here. So 514.31. 514.31. And my target is going to be 570. 3. It's a good profit if it works out, right? If it doesn't work out, cool. It's not a good reaction so far. As long as you don't. Yeah, this is a weekly breaker, y'all. Like I'm really not. I really don't want to sell in this weekly breaker. How's Waves doing? Do we have any reaction yet? Not yet. I am looking for the reaction though. This is what I'm looking for. Band BTC. Back below it. Okay. I'll go Cardano. Oh, what is this level? This is a 4-hour. Oh, this is the hourly level I was playing. Okay. I don't think it's significant anymore, so I'm going to go and get rid of it. Oof. This does not look healthy. Yeah, this does not look healthy for Adam. Yeah, this looks really, really bad for Adam. No real bounce either yet. Yeah, I think Adam looks really weak. Band is doing really well right now. I sort of want to enter a position on Band, but I don't really know where I would do it at. I don't really have a clear level to look at, so I'm not going to do it yet. Okay, Ape is... I'm fully filled on Ape. Okay, so Ape is fully filled. A little bit of a bounce. A little bit of a bounce. Okay, I'm watching you, Waves. I'm watching. See, some of these coins are absolutely deviating, right? Like Algo, for instance, right? Clear deviations. And that's why, like, I wouldn't be too scared of playing these markets, even given the condition, right? Because you're still going to have these divergences that do happen in the market, right? So although the overall market does look pretty shitty, there are some divergences that do happen. Okay, I'm starting to get interested in Waves now. We know where the high time frame's at. Let's go ahead and buy a breakout of this. This is what I want. Give me a breakout of this and I'll go into Waves. Not yet, though. Okay, I'm going to go into it. Let's see. Waves, BTC. You are starting to give me a reaction. I told you I wanted something. I think we're getting something. It's not much, but it's something. Gala's still holding up well. Waves BTC is holding up okay. Let's go to the 1 minute. Good volume on that most recent little push up. All right, I'm going to start entering into it. I'm going to start scaling into it, okay? Not a big position. Make that very clear. I'm going to start scaling into it. And my invalidation, or at least for this short-term one, is like right here. I'm going to wait for a breakout now. I didn't get my bids filled, so I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. There we are. I think there is some bullishness in this market, though. I just want some exposure now, and I want to add on a breakout, and I want to add on a retest. That's how I'm playing this right now. Gal BTC breakout would be lovely. Yes, I agree. I concur with you, Alec. That would be quite lovely. I'd be quite lovely if we had that breakout. I'd be very happy if we got it. Okay, waves is starting to get filled. It looks like a minor breakout so far. How much we get filled? Much. Oops. Most of it. Okay, I'm cool with that. We got most of our bids filled in that. Okay. So, just make sure we're clear. I'm currently in an ape long. I'm in a Gala long. I'm in a waves long. And I'm also in a BTC short. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and place this. Where do I want to target? 4 hour? Yes. I want to target right here. This is it, guys. That's all I want. So we're going to do 864 stop, or 684. Take profit at 736. $684. Yeah, I'm still in Gala. 736.6. It's not a huge amount, but you know what? I'm cool with this. I think it makes sense. I like this. Now, if we do get a retest, I'm going to go ahead and re-enter some more on that. Yeah, I'm still in the long with Gala. I like this. I don't love this, but I like this. And I do like this a lot. I like how we are inside this consolidation range again. We broke back into the consolidation range. That to me is really bullish. Okay, how's Ape doing? You know what? I'm okay with that. Tight stops. I'm okay with that. Hopefully soon we're going to start pushing up and I can bring things to him. I can start moving stop losses up. Ah, Crip stock, you cheater. Still in Gala? Yeah, I'm in Gala. I actually unloaded The spot, this or not spot. I unloaded the accumulation ones this morning at around 7:40. Where is it at? I'm checking it for you. I unloaded some Gala at. Oh, I guess I can't go back on my trade history on this. I can probably pretty much tell you where. Oh, wrong one. Right around here. No, right here. Yeah, 760-ish. So on this bounce up here, I unloaded here, and then it got a little bit higher. So it dropped, I unloaded, and then, you know, I've been ranging. So I accumulated some right here, I unloaded it there, and I'm reaccumulating down here. So I do have more Gallon now. The reclaim here is really impressive, which is why I'm back into it. Okay, waves looks okay. I want more movement here, but overall I think it looks okay. Yeah, tight stops for ape. But this is like, so you guys understand why, right? This is a swing low. We went below the swing low and back above it, right? This is a swing failure pattern, right? Swing failure patterns are really, really good opportunities for whales to fill their bids on upside. That's why I'm going to go ahead and become bullish on ape until it's lost. So the fact we swept it is really, really bullish. So I am in ape. Oh, you did say that? Uh-huh. Sure you did. Okay. All right. All right. I'll give you that. That's funny. I'm just playing with you, bro. You know that. All right. Back to waves. Okay. We have not really broken out with the conviction I want to see just yet. Gala is still holding on pretty damn well. Again, we break above here, this could get pretty wild for Gala. Now, if we get above here on Ethereum, just like the whole market will get wild because that will be a massive bear trap in my opinion. Anything I can play on this? This stupid coin is still way overbought. Still collapsing. I don't see anything yet. Uniswap. Nope. Okay. Nothing really yet with that. I'm going to go ahead and place a trigger here. BTC breakout. Gala BTC breakout. Ethereum. Where's Ethereum at? There it is. Okay, so this is going to be a Ethereum major trend line or support reclaim retest. So basically, what everyone and their mother is about to do, okay? Everyone's looking to short here and target way down lower, okay? So when you have such a crowded trade, a lot of times what happens, it'll bust right through it. And if we do, then you're looking for bullish market structure above here because this would just be a massive, massive, massive bear trap, which is very possible. I don't know if it's likely by any means, but it's very possible. So, okay, wave still holding up okay. Gala is looking okay. Again, we're still wanting this breakout. BTC looks to be fairly strong right now. What else? What else? What else? Let's look at DXY. DXY is still consolidating. Dow is dropping over the last 5 minutes. Okay, so Dow continues to drop, making new lows. We actually have almost filled this gap, which markets are closed, aren't they? No, they're still open. Right? No, they are closed. Damn. Okay, so Dow's closed now. So I would probably give Dow being closed a favor to the bulls at this point, just because they can't, like, the Dow is no longer negatively impacting the market. So Waves looking pretty decent, man. Cripstock, you may have called a winner here, bro. I like your play. I like it, man. I do like it. Gala's breaking up, possibly? Question mark? Oh, gosh. KNC's rounding upwards as well. Golden pocket, right? Okay, the BTC pairing is the golden pocket. USD a golden pocket. I'm going to add me some KNC as well. Okay, golden pocket. That's why. I don't care about really anything else. Higher. Okay, wait. Here's the issue I'm running into, right? Where am I going to target? 4 hour 200, right? Where's the 4 hour 200 at? Right here. So my target is 14% up. So I need to make my stop loss like there, right? Is that possible? I think it is. I think it's fine. But just understand that I have to adjust my stop loss appropriately. I don't want to target higher than the 4 hour 200. It's acted as a very strong resistance so far. I'm going to go ahead and do okay, there's that. All right, are my stops in place? Yes. Okay. Okay, awesome. Okay, stops are in place. Everything looks really good. All we're doing is that long up there. How's Gallo holding up? Okay. Holding up okay. Still want to break above there. How's Waves? Pretty good. So far, it looks really good. How's Ape? Going well. So far, we're pushing our way up, guys. So far, it looks fairly decent. Yeah, it looks good, guys. I'm actually going to buy a little more waves here. I think it looks pretty strong. I like the way it's doing. We're in a good validation. We are starting to push up on the BTC pairing as well. So we are showing some strength here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more position. Okay. Add a little more position on that. Gala looks good. Okay, so to recap, BTC short, Waves long, Gala long, KNC long, Ape long. Okay. Short opportunity on Bitcoin there. All right, cool. Pretty happy with everything so far. All right, Waves is starting to push up. Really good. Gala's pushing up. Really good. Bitcoin pairing is sort of struggling a little bit. Bitcoin is pushing up, which is why the whole market is starting to increase a little bit. Where's Ethereum at, right? Ethereum is a big litmus test. So it makes a lot of sense to short Ethereum at this level. Make that very clear, okay? Shorting Ethereum here does make a ton of sense. However, I would be more like, this is what I want to see for Ethereum, okay? This is my short. If it does this, I'm shorting it, okay? If it does this, I'm longing it, okay? There's not much of a difference. It doesn't look that different, but the market structure is a lot different, okay? Like that. Long, short, long, short, long, short. That's how close this is. KNC is still pushing up. Looks good. Gala is still pushing up, right? I want this BTC pair to break out though. That's my big thing. That will make that into a serious winner. Right now, it's just like you know, it's going with the market. I want to see it win, and in order for it to win, it needs to bust above there. Okay. Luna Classic is rounding up again. Oh my god, what the fuck? This coin, y'all. We want to go in for a short for an adventure on Luna Classic? I think I do. Let's do it. Let's do an adventure on Luna Classic. You guys in? Yeah, let's do an adventure. We're gonna target. I'm just gonna jump in real quick. Okay, we're in. So on this coin, let's go ahead and target. So Luna Classic is not following the rest of the market. Make that very clear. So like, I don't really care about worrying about the market as a whole. I'm just looking at these key levels. Shit, I don't know where to target. 1 hour 200? Maybe? Yeah, that's what I want to do. I don't love this position. Now that I'm in it, I really don't love it. But I'm going to keep it open for now. Do this. It's a pretty small position, so I'm okay with it. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to do a Luna Classic. And this is going to be one of those things, if it stops out, great. If it doesn't, great. I don't give a shit. 0.0007977. Stop loss is going to be 0.0007084. Fuck it. Okay, cool. We're in. Bitcoin doesn't have a stop loss? What the fuck? The mobile app is really garbage. Okay, Gala BTC is actually looking like it's starting to break out. Or it's trying to, right? You guys see this? Looks like it's trying to break out just a little bit. Stop is going to be at here. 29693. Oh, I don't have a take profit. That's what's going on. Okay. You know what? I'm actually okay with that. Screw it. I'm fine with that. No take profit. Gala, let's move our stop loss to there. Let's keep it there. 0.06896. Oh, shit. Wait, that's my take profit. I'm leaving this open for now because this right here is Y. I want to see this break out and see how it holds. Okay, waves is still holding up okay. BTC's dropping a little bit concerning right now. I don't want to see the BTC pairing drop here on anything. I want it to keep going up on all of our coins. Where's Ape? There it is. Okay, Ape is still just hovering, guys. It's not doing great. This is not doing great either. Ethereum BTC pairing is struggling now. KNC is still rounding up. That's good. All right, so every one of our positions right now is in profit. So the Bitcoin short is in profit. Waves is long is in profit. Gala is in profit. KNC is in profit. Apes in profit, and Luna Classic is in profit as well. So all of our coins are in profit as of right now. Yeah. Yeah, I agree with this. I think Trader Cause is a good point here. Getting back above here. Yeah, I agree with this. I think that's the play. If this can play out, this is huge for Ethereum. Huge. Huge, 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 huge. And like guys, I'm not stupid, okay? I know the market, the fundamentals and news is very bearish. Okay? I get it. I know. You don't have to tell me. I know this. But the market doesn't just go straight up or straight down. There are bounces. And we're playing those bounces. Okay? We had a big drop today. So what are we doing? Playing the bounces, right? And that's how we do this, right? This huge drop we had, I'm playing this bounce. Now some of these look a lot more bullish on the high time frame, which is why I'm playing more than just a bounce. But majority of my plays are just bounces, like Ape, bounce, KNC, bounce, Waves, bounce, Luna Classic, bounce, right? Like it's just bounces. That's all I'm playing right now. Gala is the only one that I think I'm going to leave open for a while and see if I can compound it and make it into a longer play. But one step at a time. And I'm still watching Uniswap. I'm still watching Uniswap, still watching AVAX. Those are still plays that very easily could turn into something really big if they can reclaim some levels. Like right now, it hasn't done it, so we got to be careful. But and like I said as well, like I'm also in a short right now on Bitcoin. So I have a head short, and if it stops out, it stops out. Okay. Gala is showing a small amount of weakness right now. Oh. Chainlink. No, I don't really have a play on Chainlink right now. Let's see if I can get one though. For the most part, though, I don't really like what Chainlink is doing right now. Last time I looked at it, so I don't really have a play on it. What about Vet? I'm actually curious on Vet because Vet had a really big pump yesterday. Okay, it retraced the entire thing. Yeah, it looks pretty shitty. And like, there's a lot of support right in this region. We bounced off the yearly open for 2021, so that's a significant as well. Like those are significant reclaims. So, um, I'm not I'm not that. Let me rephrase this. I'm not as bearish as what a lot of other people are. Okay, there are a lot of people who are very bearish, and I'm just not in that category yet. 4-hour breaker, that's something. Is there a daily over here? It's a daily. I don't know if I would play it though. I don't know if I'd play this. USD pairing. Oh, this actually looks pretty damn decent. You guys see that daily though, like right here? This daily breaker is actually pretty sexy. Hmm. I do like this breaker. I don't know, y'all. That's tough. It's very tough. We lost this 4-hour though, which is concerning to me. I would like to hold these levels, but on the higher time frame, like it's very clear this is a significant level. What have we retraced to so far? 382. It's pretty healthy. It's pretty healthy, y'all. What about ADA? No, I'm not thinking short, but thinking long. I'm thinking long for Link. However, I'm not confident in it yet. Four-hour 200 right here. Here's what I'm gonna do. If we can tap this 4-hour 200, I'll probably take a stab at this. ADA 4-hour 200 MA. I will take a stab at this if we get down here. Yeah. Okay, Gala is showing a little weakness now. We haven't broken out yet. We're just like we're so tightly consolidated right now. Okay, so Link is, or not Link, Waves is now pushing back down again. Do we want to try a compound here? Add a little extra now we've broken out. Ape's looking pretty strong. What do I have on waves? I don't have a ton on waves. The BTC pairing is not showing strength yet. So no, I'm not going to add on waves. I'm not adding on waves. The BTC pairing is still showing some weakness. Ooh. What? All right. Are we going to compound on here for Luna Classic? I think we are. All right, look at this. Okay, trend line, compound. Let's do it. Let's do it. What the fuck, man? Holding up pretty well on Gala right now. KNC's dropping a bit. Not too concerning, I don't think. Yeah, I'm pretty content with what I'm at right now. I'm not going to adjust anymore. I think I'm pretty good. I want to see this pump. I think it has a very good chance of pumping here. On the BTC pairing at least, which should transfer over into the USD. Waves, no strength yet, guys. I'm really starting to get concerned about the waves right now. We're not holding. That's the only coin that I'm really starting to get a little concerned about. Ethereum is still showing pretty decent strength here. What is this level? Ooh, a 4-hour? Oh, shit. Um, let's go to a cleaner chart. So this right here is definitely something to be concerned about. So get above here, and I'll be pretty freaking bullish, honestly. I'll probably close my short out. But yeah. Gala's holding up pretty well. Ethereum is holding up fairly well now. Looks like some sort of a falling wedge here. I think I'm pretty comfortably long. Yeah, I'm pretty comfortable in my longs right now. Across the board. Get above here, I think we're going to have some sort of a pretty explosive movement. I think we're right there, too. I'm going to leave my Bitcoin short open for a while. I'm going to go ahead and close out part of it. I'm going to close out half. Okay, I closed out half my short here. I'm going to go ahead and redo my stop loss and stuff. 29,712, 29,712. Okay, and we'll leave the rest of it open. That gives me more as well to screw around with over here. Show me more strength here. If we could just have a curvature again on the Waves BTC pairing, I'll be interested in entering a compound here. I just want to see more strength, and right now we just don't have it yet. I'm going to do this. Super, super, super tight. Waves BTC, show strength. Waves BTC, show weakness. Right. Show weakness, show strength. K and C. I think we're pretty good. Let's do an 8 BTC pairing. Let's see what it looks like. Yep. Look at the volume. There's just not much volume on Ape right now. Which makes me think that, like, I'm not really expecting much more downside. Now we are in the golden pocket right now for waves. KNC's had a nice little pump here. Both pairings pretty freaking strong, honestly. How much do I have in KNC? I think I want to add some more. I really like that show of strength. Looks really clean. So this is the show of strength you're looking for, like right here. The BTC pairing, how it's rounding up like that in the golden pocket, it's a confirmation. On the waves pairing, you guys can see we're in the golden pocket, but we're just not having any show of strength. So that to me is concerning. And as of right now, I actually own more more waves than I do KNC. And I don't think that's the right play. Bitcoin looks fairly strong here. Fairly strong. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Okay. All right, all right. Still doing fine. Still looks fine to me. Luna still dipping. What are you guys' thoughts? Are we going to break up or break down from here? Are we going to get some relief in the altcoin market, or is it just going to crash down to nothing? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you guys' thoughts are. All I'm doing is I'm not getting real much feedback from you guys. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not losing my mind. Tether is depegging a little bit. What the fuck happened here? You guys see this? We're having a depegging on Tether. Slightly, but it's there. Don't like that. 27K is in range. Yeah. Makes sense. What altcoin should I look at that I'm not paying attention to? Where's the strength at? OPBTC's showing strength. Yes, it is. Bond yields are showing strength. Makes sense. Crow. The BTC pairing is showing strength. Let's go to this BTC pairings. BNB showing a lot of strength right now. Interesting. Let's go to BNB. Okay. Suku looks to have gotten above the US or the 4-hour 200 moving average. Let me look at this. Is there a Suku on here? Nope, there's not. Okay. Ooh, what? Damn it, I don't have that. IDEX, that's a pretty big reclaim right here. Moon cycles. Oh, God. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's go back to our actives charts. Leave that. Leave this. Let's see what we got going on. How is our coins doing? Okay, Gala has not broken out yet. We're still struggling. KNC is reversing a little bit. Waves, little bit of a green candle, but nothing much yet. Abe's still holding up pretty well. Yep, Abe's still holding up pretty well. I still like what's going on. Go buy Ho. Ho. Interesting. Let's see. How many likes we got? 6 likes? That's it, guys. Come on. Come on. If you haven't liked the video yet, like, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Make it happen. Not many other people are actually live streaming day trading like while we're in this sort of a downtrend, right? Most people on YouTube just come out whenever, the markets look green. Very rarely do people come out and trade while the markets are red. So that's why I'm here for you guys. Yeah, looks good. Ape still looks fine. We just got to hold above here. A little bit of a downtrend here. What's going on? Okay, 4-hour breaker still acting as resistance. This is certainly concerning. Certainly is concerning. I don't know, y'all. I'm not liking this interaction right now, you guys. Okay, so if we close above here in 11 minutes, I'm going to feel pretty good about it. Okay? But if we don't, I'm going to close out some positions. That's my plan, okay? Close above here, we stay in. Go below, I'm going to close out some of my positions, hopefully in profit, right? That's my goal. But either way, in profit or not, it's irrelevant. You want to do risk preservation or capital preservation. A and KR, I'll look at it for you, buddy. I don't know, honestly, but let's look at it. A and KR. Still ranging, reject off the 4-hour 200 moving average. Over here we have, this is a support level right down here. So if it comes down here to 28, like 28, 29, or 28, 27, I'll be very interested in a trade here. A and KR. A and KR long opportunity. Let's go to the BTC pairing as well. So this is basically the spot that needs to hold on the BTC pairing. So you guys can see this entire consolidation right here is pretty important. Resistance, 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 work back down, support. So this level needs to hold. So does that say it will hold? No, I'm just saying it needs to hold. And if it doesn't, that's very, very, very bearish for A and KR. So first step, though, get above the 200, and I'll be more confident. But right now, it's in a very dangerous position. It's dangerous, man. I don't know. It's not as clear. Honestly, I'd probably assume it's going to go down. But it's in a dangerous position. Where are we at? Auto. Okay, here we go. Gala, still there. Still there. Ape. Struggling a little bit. Is it just all alts? Is Ethereum dragging it down right now? Yes. Okay. Ethereum is not ready to move up yet. Let's see if I can find a better Ethereum BTC chart. Binance, perfect. Perfect. A lot more information on here. Okay. So Ethereum BTC. Let's try to figure this out. Okay, nothing. 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 There's nothing really showing here on trend lines wise. There's nothing in the immediate spot. That gives us a lot of confidence. Bitcoin is good above this breaker. Like that's the key. If we can get above this 4-hour breaker, that'd be very bullish. If we can hold this hourly, that'd also be very bullish. Pushed up a bit now. We need more strength on waves. Ethereum BTC keeps collapsing. We need Ethereum BTC to start showing some strength. That's really, really important. We're obviously at a very important level as well in a gala. It keeps rejecting. It's not letting us go higher. So I have 7 minutes left. Maker. MKR. It's not much here, man. I don't see much that's really just sticking out. No, there's nothing really here. I don't really see any real shows of strength here. We're below the golden pocket here. Like there's just not much here. I'm just not interested in this. Nothing here just screams, "Ooh, I want this coin," right? You have this 4-hour breaker that could be out to support, but like there's nothing here that really gives me a lot of confidence. So let's go back to the ones we're in right now. So all right. Gala. Sort of curious about this one as well. Hmm. Abe's still holding up, but just it's not doing well. It's just holding up. Look at that volume. Ton of volume right now. Pretty strong recovery on KNC still. Do like that. Waves BTC is just it just doesn't look strong. Yeah, no worries at all, buddy. I guess that's what we got to work with here. It's not much though, man. Like this looks strong. Okay, we recovered this trend line, this consolidation. Like this looks really strong. If you guys zoom out, you can see this trend line is significant, right? And we fell into it, and now we're back above it. And we have this consolidation on the lower time frame. So this looks like a strong reclaim. So I'm interested in being in this position because like it's a show of strength. KNC, bounce from the golden pocket, pretty aggressive. That's a show of strength. Ape, we cleared these lows and now we're back above it. Show of strength. Waves is a potential show of strength that hasn't showed up yet. We haven't really seen that show of strength yet. I'm a little concerned about it. Okay, 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, we can now flip this to a support. And I'll feel a lot more comfortable about my longs. God, we're just right here. We're just right here, y'all. You guys see that? Just right here. Be a nice payday, too. Even if we were to take profits right here at 73.60, 0.07360. Yeah, it'd be a nice little payday. All right, let's look at Twitter. Anything new? Anything new? I think, was it Byzantine General or was it Cold-Blooded Schiller? I think it was Cold-Blooded Schiller. Cold-Blooded Schiller is actually bullish right now on a lot of coins. Yep. Daily divergence, and I see where he's at on that, and like I get it. So there is a daily divergence on Ethereum that is forming. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So like you guys can see that pretty clearly. We have higher highs on RSI, lower highs on or lower lows. So like it's a clean play, and I understand why he's doing it. Now, if we're able to get above here, I would be super long, like super long. But until we get above there, I got to be careful. Okay, KNC is still just hovering. The USDT pairing for the waves doesn't look horrible. It looks like a bullish retest. Just not confident in it yet. Okay, we have the close. So that means that now this we flip towards support level. Okay, so now we actually have a support level. And realistically, if you wanted to play this, I would be no shit targeting here. If you want to be playing this position, right? I think this would make a lot of sense, right? So long here, target here, 1% gain. Do like here. There you go. It's not great. If you're playing leverage, it's a legitimate play. Okay, we are on the top side of this. Ugh. Mm-mm-mm-mm. This is fun, y'all. This is fun. This is where you make your money at right here, though, guys. Like, this is the big stuff. You want volatility? You're getting it. We're finally starting to make some movements. So, um, so now Bitcoin is still on the top side, on the bottom side of this range. We still haven't broken out. Okay, like it looks weird, but we have not broken out yet. And then now you can look at this structure, and you can really see some similarities. Hmm. Right, but it's still just ranging. So we haven't broken out in either direction yet. So the trend line's been broken. Like I know, okay, got it. This trend line's been broken, but the rest of the structure is still intact. We haven't actually broken out of these ranges. So I would say until you break below 28,000, it's just still ranging. Ethereum looks weak, and it's dragging the market down. Fuck. Yep, Ethereum looks really, really weak. What? Okay. We're following a similar trajectory from May to July 2021. Okay. May to July 2021. Yeah, I see that. That makes a lot of sense. And that's how I was just about to bring up. Like, this structure right here looks very similar to here. Okay. Now, Gala starting to look a little weak. KNC's rounding. Ethereum looks really weak. Waves is if we're gonna get a bounce, it needs to happen right here. Yep. I see where he's at. If we start trending below here, I'm done. I'm out of waves. Ape still looks fine. Gala, not great, but I think still looks fine. K and C. I think it's okay. I'm out. I'm out of waves. All right, out of waves, guys. I just don't like that. It just doesn't look healthy to me at all. I'm out. If it's able to reclaim here and breaks the top side, I'll be interested in it. So I'm going to leave this right here. So I will enter back into it if we get that. But right now, I don't like it. We've got to show some more strength here. Okay, Gala is starting to roll down. Not great. Ethereum is rolling over slightly. Not great. Ethereum BTC, not great. I want to let this play out. I want to let this play out. This one, it looks clean. Getting back in here is a really big show of strength. Link, what about it, dude? Nothing's changed. We're still in this major support level. This is a major daily support. I don't want to. If anything, I'd be looking to long it, but I haven't had a show of strength either, so I have no reason to short it. Let me rephrase it. My reasons for longing it are better than shorting it. However, my reasons for short there's too much of a bullish case for Ethereum or for Link to short it, and I haven't had a trigger to long it. In other words, I have no interest in that coin right now. Don't love this. Now on waves, like I told you guys, get above here, I'll be interested. But right now, we did a what's it called? A breakout on the USD pairing, and we're just grinding down the bottom side. We're not breaking out. So I don't like this structure, and we've also retraced all the way to the bottom side. We've even pierced the bottom of this low time frame falling wedge. So like waves looks good on the high time frame, but the low time frame looks really shitty. So I don't want it. It's too dangerous right now to be playing with fire. It's too dangerous. I want to buy strength. I don't want to show any weakness. I don't want to buy it. Like this looks clean so far. So this actually does not look that bad. All right. I'm going to make my case for this one. We'll see if it makes sense. This right here is an hourly support level, right? Okay. Hourly support. Now look on the prior to that being formed. Look at the significance. Support, resistance, 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 resistance. This level is really significant. So on the USD pairing, I really like this play. And on the BTC pairing, I don't hate it. Falling wedge, breakout, retest, continuation. Falling wedge, breakout, retest, continuation. I think it's a solid play here on band. And the big thing about band is that it's strong impulse, clear consolidation. And this would be my 295 target. And my stop is like here. I think it makes sense. Not loving this though. I'm gonna do it. I like band. I like band here. So band I made a shit ton of money off of yesterday. It's a really clean play. So let's get an entry now. Oh wow, getting a really good entry actually. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. So my stop, let's do a 2% risk. Yeah, 2% risk, so 189.5. Is that right? Oh shit. 194.7, 194.7. Oh, 294.7. Yeah. It looks clean. I think this makes a lot of sense. I think I like it. I did not get many fills in so far. Um, all right, Gala, how are we doing? Not great. Not bad, not great. Just basically chilling at this point. So, okay, let me go more on the band. Let me show you guys why I'm so bullish on this, right? Zoom out. 200 moving average reclaim, high volume impulse, corrective structure, okay? And then on the BTC pairing, 200 moving average reclaim, high volume, corrective structure. Then this is a falling wedge that's been established for a very long time. We were beneath it. We got back into it. So this reclaim is very bullish. So I like the structure here. I like this structure. So it makes a ton of sense to me, and that's why I like this position. All right, how much should I get filled in that? God, not that much. Just not getting any fills right now in this position. All right, see if we can get some more. Okay, so now we're starting to get some movement on waves, and we actually are starting to bounce up from it. So I'm sort of interested again in it. But again, we're going to wait until we get a market structure change. I may have sold a little too early on that play, but you know what? I'm completely okay with that. 100% okay with that. All right, I'm exposed now with band. Let's go ahead and pull the rest of our bids. Okay, good position. I'm pretty damn happy with that. It's going to be, if we get stopped out, it's a small loss. If we actually reach our target, it's a huge gain. So I like it. And I think if this doesn't get stopped out, I really do think that this is not unreasonable. Because this entire consolidation structure is why I'm taking this risk. And yeah, I think it makes sense. And we are showing some strength in the low time frame. So, yep. Okay, Ape is still holding up pretty well. Not great, but good enough. Still need Gala to push up. Shitty part is now my invalidation is no longer invalidation. So at this part, I need to do, okay. So now with Gala, we have to make a decision, right? Because this is no longer our validation, okay? If it drops down here, all it is a bullish retest. So I need to do one of two things. Drop this down here further, okay? But that increases my risk to reward a lot higher, right? Or we make a tighter stops, in which case it's a zero risk trade, right? But obviously it can be invalidated very quickly. It's pushing up. Slightly pushing up. Yeah, Luna Classic play is going to shit. Okay, this is a... I'm about to get stopped out. Support. About to get stopped out, though. Very likely to get stopped. Which, if it does, cool. Yeah, band is rounding up. That's really good. Gala is static. Waves is actually pushing up. Why wouldn't it, right? Cool. And then ApeNet is something I'm also looking at. It's not a very clear levels right now. This looks pretty clean. Guys, I think I may have sold waves too soon. Because you guys can see now how it is actually getting that reaction we were looking for. And it's no longer grinding along the bottom. It is starting to push up from it. So I think we may have sold too quickly on that, which, yeah, whatever. It is what it is. I'd rather be too cautious than too risky, so I'm okay with that. Um, oh man, if we break above here, it'd be really, really bullish. I'm watching this closely. I'm gonna go ahead and just close out the Luna trade. I just don't. It's not going well. It looks like a bearish retest. I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. Okay, it's closed. Luna Classic is closed. That's what I get for gambling with a shitcoin. Is what it is. Okay, back to waves. The other shitcoin. What are you guys' thoughts? Do we have volume yet? We don't. Gala needs to start pushing up. I don't like how it's rounding off on K and C either. We're still in profit, but I don't like this structure. Okay, band is pushing up though. That's really good. Okay. Cool with that. Gala, gala, gala. All right, we now do have the support down here. So this is support. All right, waves looks to be consolidating a bit. Ethereum doesn't look great, guys. Doesn't look great. It does not look great at all. Well, clear level. You guys can see how significant this level is, right? In the 5-minute chart, we have this amount of interaction. So above here is bullish, below here is bearish. Let's go ahead and put minor breakout or break up. Down here, minor breakdown. Okay, there we go. Okay, Gala is showing a little bit of strength now. Just a little bit. Waves is consolidating. Not bad, not great, just basically chilling right now. Let's say we were to enter here. What would be our stop loss? You guys see the problem here? We really can't. The 4-hour 10 moving average is our target, so I just don't really see much here. I don't really see us being able to enter this trade unless we were to do this. That's our new stop loss. We can't adjust our target because this is a pretty aggressive and hard target. So this would have to be it. Less than a 1% risk, which is not bad. Rejection on band, pretty aggressive. Okay, Gala BTC is Showing a little bit of strength and not much. How's DXY doing? DXY is still consolidating. So all of our current positions are in profit right now. We closed out Waves, and we closed out Luna Classic, which were in a negative. So all the ones we're in right now are actually positive. I am interested in entering back into Waves soon. We got a little work to do though. And now Band needs to start pushing up. I do not like this rejection so far. I actually just don't like a lot of what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Ethereum BTC with a decent 5-minute candle. This is a 1 hour. Ugh. Why is we had a more bullish market structure on a low time frame? So I know we have Ethereum. It's a clean one. We have a clean symmetrical triangle for Ethereum. We can see that. The BTC pairing is dropping, finding a little bit of support down there, but mostly dropping. Bitcoin. Let's see what we got. Let's go to a 1 minute. Not much here. Probably consider that asymmetrical as well. A little bit uglier than Ethereum. So Ethereum is really clean. So we have some sort of a symmetrical here. Gala BTC is actually pushing up just a bit. If you go to the 5 minute, you can see it. So Gala BTC is actually on the brink of a breakout. We're right there. So like Gala has a shit ton of potential if we can break out from this. We can see the potential we have here, right? Strong falling wedge. Been consolidating for the last like 3 days. 3 days consolidation on the BTC pairing. It showed a lot of strength by bopping below it and then back into it. So if we can pop above here, I think Gala has quite a bit of potential to run independently of whatever happens with Bitcoin. So, okay, Waves is still struggling. Bitcoin is holding its own. Not much there. Ethereum is still consolidating. Lower time frame, we can see it. What's going on? I would say 244 would be a breakout, in my opinion. Until then, I'd be a little cautious. Let's see how everything else is doing. Gala is also showing a bit of strength relative to Bitcoin. So we are having some green candles here, while Bitcoin has red candles. Low time frame, but there's definitely some sort of a very, very, very small divergence here, which could be on the cusp of something bigger. Wave still in the consolidation structure. We want to see it break out of there before we enter. Looks like we're sort of breaking out here. Just barely, though. Bitcoin looks to be consolidating. It's consolidating above this level, though. We can see that this is now a support structure. So as long as we don't lose this 1 hour breaker, looks fine, right? Okay, Ethereum. Where's Ethereum at? There we go. We don't want Ethereum to lose this. If Ethereum loses this, that's going to be really concerning for the whole market, especially the alts. Alt market's going to be in a very precarious spot if we lose this trend line. It's low time frame, but given the volatility earlier, I think it's important. Yeah, you can see the whole market reacting to it. Gala's still green for the 5-minute candle. Ethereum is red right now. We just can't lose this trend line. That'd be a very concerning sign. I would have to really consider closing all of our longs if we did that. Band has recovered most of what we lost in the last few minutes. Okay, Ape, still green. It's just trying. Waves hasn't broken out yet. KNC looks okay, not great. Gala is still green. Okay, let's look at DXY. Still holding up fairly well. We want to see it drop, though. We want to see DXY drop down. So that's pretty freaking important. So I'm going to go ahead and put here DXY breakdown. And this is going to be a DXY break up. And DXY breaking up would be very bearish for crypto. DXY breaking down would be very bullish for crypto. So just be aware. That's something to take notice of. A little closer, a little closer. Put this down here. One more lower. Okay. How are y'all holding up? Pretty good so far? I know there's a lot going on. I hope you guys are tracking and following all this. It's just the nature of the beast, guys. If you're day trading, there's a lot of different things you got to look at, and it's very stressful. Not looking great right now for Ethereum. We start breaking down. I'm going to close a lot of our positions. Hey, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. You're on the Discord, right? I hope so. There is a ton of really great content on there. Um, yeah, guys, there's a ton of great content. So we've been really updating everyone a lot. Um, we each have our own little section that we go through and we update what's going on in the market. So, um, yep, ask us questions on here and things like that. We got a really good team. So we got a really good team. So hope you guys really do appreciate it. We put a lot of work into it. That's for damn sure. I also reached out and I went and I was able to recruit. Okay, awesome, buddy. I'm glad to hear that, man. I was able to recruit Ace and Cryptstock because I wanted more help. I felt like I wasn't getting back enough, and we weren't doing enough. So I wanted to really make sure the quality and content was increased by a lot. So I hope it's appreciated. That's for damn sure. Because we bust our ass on it. Okay, Bitcoin's starting to show a little bit of strength here. I still want to see Gala break up. That's the big one right now. Waves looks okay. Oh, dude, yeah, he's awesome. Melik is incredible. We got a hell of a team, guys. Like I really do hope you guys are part of the Discord. It's awesome. And if you guys are not Patreon members, like you're getting so little content relative to Patreon. Like it's nuts. But yeah. I think for the amount of value you get, the Patreon is absolutely worth it. So Tether still looks like it's unpegging pretty aggressively, guys. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't know if it's a legitimate concern or not, but like I just don't like it when Tether is depegged. I could see this happening. Like I can definitely see this happening. That's where my bias is right now, guys. I do think we're still in a range. Ugh. Oh man. I still think we're in a range. Um I'm just not very quick to uh be like uber short in the market yet. I just don't think it makes much sense. Ape is sort of pushing up a little bit. We got a really good entry, I think. All right, Waves is starting to push up as well. How's Ethereum doing? That's the big one. Ethereum is a big litmus test, guys. Like, if Ethereum's able to reclaim here, like, fucking send it. I can't stress it enough. If we can reclaim this, that is so damn bullish. I can't even stress it. And Ethereum is the leader of the altcoin market. So don't ever forget the importance of Ethereum. So I like this push up so far. I'm pretty comfortable right now. I feel pretty good about my setup. I'm feeling pretty damn good about everything. I'm liking this, guys. I'm liking it. I don't love it yet, but I'm liking it. My bias is set. I do think that we're going to get some upside relief here. The confirmation is Ethereum reclaiming the lows. If that happens, I'll be so freaking bullish. I will be. Oh man, that's just disgusting. Disgusting, y'all. I want this to get stopped out. That'd be great. I'll be so happy if that Bitcoin long or a short gets stopped out, because that will mean the market is doing some really cool things. Damn it, NFT, son of a bitch. I really considered entering this too. Ooh, baby. Um. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. I'm gonna let it break out and then go for a retest because I don't want to. Yeah. It doesn't make sense to enter at this point. I'm not going to do a breakout trade because my target's not high enough. It's very tempting though. Still, still in the range. Still in the range. Still in the range. Still in the range. Gala needs to break out of here. This will be a huge, 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 huge level. I just don't think I have the right setup for waves. I think I'm out of waves. I can't set this up correctly and be comfortable about it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and I just can't do anything about it, honestly. Pretty happy on a lot of our positions. Um, a macro review, I did, but you know what? Let's do it again. I want to make sure I'm on the same page. So let's do a macro review. I haven't done one in a while, so let's do it. Let's do a proper one. So let's go over here. Let's do all right, weekly. Okay, let's look at this sucker. All right, this is the overall structure of Bitcoin. I have alerts set, so if something happens, I'll have my alerts go off. Okay. So for Bitcoin, key levels right there as resistance. This is the key level. Oops. Yeah, I like this as our primary level. Above that, of course, we have here. And then we also have this channel. There you go. Key levels of resistance right here. This is it. Nothing else really matters in my opinion. Now, if this is our low, this as well, which actually lines up pretty damn close to our midline, which is interesting. All right, so there we go. These are our primary levels of resistance. Support. Right there. Right here. Weekly. Shit. 22.3. Okay, weekly 200 right there. Okay. This is where we're at right now, guys. This is it. Volume has been diminishing since the top up here. So we can see how it just keeps slowly decreasing in volume the entire time, right? So technically, you could consider that bullish because we've been in a downtrend since then. So this looks corrective in nature. Like this still looks like a corrective structure when it comes to volume. So high volume of the impulse, low volume of the correction. Blockchain backer makes a really good case that this is actually the correction. So this is called an expanded flat. So instead of having a A, B, C, to where the B actually goes above the highs. It happens. I have an alert. Bitcoin short. Oh shit, we're pushing up. Okay. All right. Cool. Welcome back. Yes. Okay. Gala's pushing up. Everything's pushing up, it looks like. Let's go to lower time frames. Okay, looks good. Gala BTC has not broken out yet. Ape has not broken out yet. Where's Band? Band is pushing up. Good. This is the one I wanted to see if it was going to push up with it. I wasn't sure if it was going to push the rest of the market up. Okay. Ethereum is now above it. Nice. So this is the level I'm looking for. All right. Cool. You guys ever watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine? I love that show. We've watched me and my wife have watched the whole thing like twice, all the seasons. We binge watched a few shows. All right, well this is dead. I can't even trade this anymore, so whatever. All right, well I got shaken out of waves, which whatever. It is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. Now on Bitcoin, strong rejection candles so far. Does not look great. Oh, you son of a bitch. What in the fuck? Oh, you stupid ass coin. I hate this coin. Whatever. Ape is pushing up on the Bitcoin pairing. So far, so good on that part. But Phoenix, Coinbase. Coinbase isn't bad. Let's look at the volume here. Volume is pretty pathetic. Volume is really pathetic. Okay, we fall back in here. I'm done. I'm out. That's my play. If we fall back in there, I'm done. Gala looks pretty strong though. We didn't even break out enough to get and trigger this? Oh, that sucks. Oh man, that is just pathetic, guys. Okay, maybe we're popping off now. I want Gala to start accelerating. Be the good girl. I know you can be, Gala. I know you can do this. Band, same thing. I know you can accelerate. I just need you to do it. It is pushing up pretty aggressively. This hourly breaker. God dang it. That's. It's giving us resistance, guys. We need to accelerate Ethereum. Ethereum is the one we really need to accelerate if we're bullish. Okay, Ethereum minor breakup. Okay. So the level that has to happen is here. This is it. This is everything. I don't like nothing else truly matters except for this. Like that's it, guys. I can't stress it enough. This is the only thing I really care about. Oh, this is gross. Okay, Ethereum. Let's go low time frame. Solid trend line. It's holding so far. It's just it needs to accelerate in a major way very quickly. That's not accelerating. Okay, Gallus looks okay. Ape looks okay. KNC looks okay. Ethereum looks bad. This is not instilling a lot of confidence in me right now. It's not instilling confidence. Bevi, what's up, buddy? I'm just not impressed by the market right now. Like it's not. It should accelerate, and it's not. Ooh, that's not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. I'm closing everything out. I'm closing everything out, guys. I'm going to do a 25% sell for right now. And then we're going to go back and see the rest in a bit, as I am not impressed by this reaction so far. Ethereum, you are not giving me much confidence at all. Bitcoin is, no, I'm done. I'm out. 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 I'm closing everything, guys. Holy shit. We'll see. And I will come back in the market if there's better setups. But right now, no. I'm out. Literally all of my longs are closed. All of my longs are closed, guys. I don't like any of this right now. Disgusting rejection. Well, made some money on it. But no. It's horrible. Really, 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 really bad. I did not like that. That is not a confidence builder. All right, so let's see. Close positions. Made money on all of them, guys. KNC, Ape, Gala, and Band. I made money on all four. Cool. Cool. Not mad about it, but guys, I'm not playing that game. Just not, guys. That was just really, really disgusting. Now I will re-enter into Gala. Okay, Waves BTC show a strength. I don't have a setup here. I don't have a setup. So here's what I'm talking about on this setup, okay? My target for this is right here. You guys see this? This 4-hour breaker, or the 4-hour 200 moving average, is my target. And this is not nearly enough of a movement for me to really make any money off of it. So I'm not playing on that one. Let's go low time frame here. Just I made money off that little bounce. Now, if we can actually break out of here, okay, I will look to re-enter some stuff, but I'm not playing this game where we don't have strength. Damn it. Yeah, we're not above it yet. This 1-hour breaker is the resistance I've been looking at. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. Okay. If we can get above here, I'm so bullish. Oh, damn. Did I get stopped? Did I get freaking shaken out here? Are you kidding me right now? Might have been, guys. Them bastards may have gotten me. I made money. I'm okay. Let's see. Now this It's a significant level, right? Yeah. All right, let's see if we can adjust this. Here to here. Is that a good play? Risk reward 24. BTC pairing is showing strength. Let's give it more time. I don't want to jump into that yet. Okay, Gala is below it, or actually Gala is above it. Okay, let's see a retracement there. Small rejection there. How's Ethereum BTC looking? It's rounding. I know, right, dude? I want to see it get above here. I'm really cautious until we do that. Now, band is the only one I legitimately do want to jump into because my targets are so high. What is my I need to jump in this level? Let's see. Honestly, I think now. No. Let's I'm gonna scale into it. I'm gonna scale into band. I think band is a really solid play. I want to do this. Be patient, guys. I'm gonna be patient. Someone say Cardano right here. My thoughts on Cardano. Get out of this hourly breaker. I'll be more bullish. Realistically, guys, I can't stress this enough. Everything's relying upon Ethereum. Ethereum, Ethereum, Ethereum. That is the only chart that really matters to me right now. Like this, very bullish. This, very bearish. Okay, it's so similar, but it's a very, very important distinction. And then what I'm going to do for band, okay, I'm going to scale in down to here, okay? So I'm going to scale into band and just get bids filled right here for a possible breakout, okay? What gets filled gets filled. If it doesn't get filled, I don't care. And that's how I'm going to play this. So down to 193.4. Okay, perfect. That's how I'm going to play this. I'm going to scale in right here because we have an easy invalidation, and then I'm just going to whatever happens happens. Okay, Gala has not broken out of here yet. I'll do a market buy on that if we can actually break out. Ethereum still holding on. God, this is a nasty rejection. I don't know what the fuck happened there. Good play. I was in the right setups, guys. But I got yep. Getting the band back together, you see. You're right, man. I am. Band's the only one right now, and waves, that are just really not doing what the rest of the market's doing. So I'm okay with playing it a little differently than the rest of the market. Ape is also playing a little differently as well. But Band looks really, 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 really bullish. Like, really bullish. So I want to get a position on Band because the overall market structure on that just looks really clean. And it's also not following Bitcoin. It's like doing its own thing, which makes me like even happier because, just like this shithead. God, fuck, man. This son of a gun. If we can get a good dip here, I'll have a clean invalidation, but right now I don't. So I'm not really happy with just entering without a validation. Slowly adding Band. So I'm anticipating a breakout here. Let's get rid of that. I'm anticipating a breakout. It's holding up our level, so losing it would obviously be very bearish, right? I'm going to accumulate right in this region. That's my little sweet spot. But you guys can see this is a clear high volume impulse and consolidation. Now we are below the golden pocket on this, which is a little bit, concerning, but it held up so well. XRP is holding up pretty well too. Let's erase everything. What is going on here? No real support down there. Not till there. Monthly's right here. No. So no real support here, so that's definitely concerning. I don't like that. No. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure what's going on here. No. I don't really see anything that's really given us that bullishness. We're beneath there. Like I have nothing, nothing here that's giving me bullishness here. Not confident in that market structure at all. Oh, this doesn't look great. Oh, I'm still filling up Band though. I think I'm pretty happy not being in other positions. Just Band's the only one I like. Getting the Band back together. That's all I want to do. So I'm filling up in this region right here. I've already got a partial bids filled. Ethereum is still holding it together. I want to see this get reclaimed. I'm really that close. Like, this is how serious it is on this position. You guys see that though? Like, this is how, like, do I want to just add some Ethereum here? I don't think I want to. Because the only thing I'd be willing to shoot for at this point is right here. And that's only a 1% gain. I don't think it's really worth it. There's more potential on band. There's more potential on waves. Well, more potential on API 3 maybe? Strong rejection right there. What other coins popped off over the last couple days? What are the big ones, the big winners? Link. This is a big one. Link could be a good play. Because we're in a... Here we're not, but on the BTC pairing, we are inside of a daily breaker. Right? So like this level should act as a support level. Cardano, we really don't have... It's not... I don't really see much of a... I don't see a clear bullish like reason to be bullish right now. Yeah, there's not much of a reason to be bullish right at this moment. All right, we have partial bids filled on band. Not a lot, but some. If we start breaking above here, I'm probably going to add more. I will add more. I think the potential on this coin is really, really high. So the reason why I'm so bullish on band, just you guys are tracking on this, for band, we're above the 4-hour 200 moving average on the BTC and the USD pairing. Okay, this is unique. There are not many coins that have been able to do so. Not only that, we have a show of strength with the high volume impulse, low volume corrective structure, high volume impulse, low volume corrective structure. And on the high time frame, we're also have reclaimed, okay, we weren't originally, but we're back into a massive falling wedge on the BTC pairing. So yeah, this looks really good. So I do like this coin a lot, and that's why. So thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'm going to do this. Probably going to do a market buy on band if we're able to get above here. I think we're that bullish on it. That's why I'm okay doing a market buy on it. Let's do there. So I did a market buy yesterday on band, and I got like 100% gain on it. So it was well worth it. And I think we'll get a similar response on it as well. Let's see if we can get it on this coin. So we're about another coin, above the 200 moving average, both pairings, and we are like right here on KuCoin. I guess we've broken above it again. So looks pretty good. Unify also was a coin that had a pretty significant movement. So I'm looking for another entry on this. Well, you guys know what that means. Oh, come on. You fucking kidding me? Fuck it. All right, whatever. It wasn't great, but I got into it. I was having some issues with it. Whatever. All right, so band is now up. Hopefully this starts taking off. So now we're going to go ahead and place our stop loss beneath there. How much do I have in it? Pretty good amount. Okay. So this is going to be a 192 is our stop. And our target is going to be 295.55. There you go. All right. So now we just sit back. Wait, right? We don't know, but that's what that's how we're playing this. Okay. I went ahead and did a market buy on it. Now if we lose this, I'm going to go ahead and cut some back. I really want to see it get above here as well. But band moved very, very aggressively yesterday, and it's holding up very well right now. So I'm okay with doing an aggressive entry on it. Ah, shit. Do. So, yep. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see if it plays out. And then this looks like a breakout play on Unify. If we were to play this, how would we play it? It's too aggressive. I don't know. I'm not really sure. It's hard to know what a good target is for this one. But it's clearly some sort of a consolidation breakout. We can see it pretty clearly. Let's go back to band, actually. We do have some volume that came in on the low time frame. BTC pairing, we get above there, it's going to go pretty aggressive. Probably shouldn't have market bought, but whatever. We're still up in our position, but not by a lot. We didn't get as many fills down here as we were hoping so. 194.3 is our new stop. I'm going to move it down there. 194.3. Okay. Here's our retest. Strong volume. Let's see if we get some movement here. We definitely have some sort of a consolidation cluster here, so there is interest. Others are watching it. Now Ethereum is breaking down back into the triangle, which is not good. It might screw up our play here. This needs to hold or we're going to be in a ton of trouble for band. Oh, band. Son of a bitch. It's going against our bias, guys. Ethereum looks to be ruining the day. I'm going to give it a little more time. Son of a biscuit. Good play, but we got screwed by Ethereum. Well, let's see if we can find some support at the bottom of the channel and go from there, because band is actually still pushing up despite all of this. Band is holding up pretty damn well given the bearishness of the market. BTC pairing is holding up well. I want to see us break above here, and we actually do have a chance at this still, even given the bearishness from Bitcoin. Just can't believe it. It sucks. Not really want to close it too early, though. See the buyback. It's pretty impressive. Honestly, it is. Get back above this trend line. That'd be one hell of a fake out. And then, of course, this is still a major support right here. So this level of support hasn't been tested yet, so I'm letting this play out a little longer on band. I'm just watching it right now. Wait, what the fuck? My stop never went off, or my alert never went off for this. Band. Not looking great. Ethereum BTC is collapsing a bit. I'm gonna let it play out a little longer. Can't believe this shit. So frustrating. Just love how Ethereum wants to collapse right whenever we enter this trade on band. Good breakout. Just nope. Ethereum said, "Fuck you." Let's see if we can hold this. As long as we can hold inside this triangle, I'm still okay on band because band actually has not fallen like at all. Like you guys can see the BTC pairing, how it's holding up really well. $161, like it's pushing up. A lot of volume here too. Not really interested in closing right now. I'm going to give it a little more time. Band break up. Break down. You just have to just hold up. I just don't want you to collapse. That is your only job, Ethereum. Just don't collapse. Okay, we're about to test the top side of this 1 hour breaker. So this hourly breaker should act as a support level too. It's untested. You guys see how it's untested right now, so. God, this sucks. Good play. Good play, guys. Just going against us. Okay, 1 hour is right here. This 1 hour breaker should hold. Look at that. Like that's really, really strong. This looks really strong. Honestly, it does. It's trying to push up. And the BTC pairing is also pushing up. Ethereum, where are you at, baby? Are you able to just not collapse? That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking for much. Great start. Great start, buddy. Thank you for all of the assistance, Ethereum. You are just great, great, great help in everything you do. Okay, band breakdown. Okay, this is the 1 hour breaker. We have not tested it yet. God, I just can't believe this shit. It's so frustrating. It's trying. Okay, 1 hour's been tested now. So now this is the first test on it. This should give us some support. If this does not hold as support, I'm just going to short the fucking market and just call it good and walk away and enjoy the rest of my day. And breakdown right there. Oh, man. Getting some support so far. It's trying. It just Bitcoin and Ethereum just can't just completely collapse. That's all we need to happen right now. We are getting a small reaction off that level. Ethereum is just not even trying. Band's trying to without it, guys. Like there's a lot of strength here. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. There's a lot of strength with Band. I just don't know if it can do it without Bitcoin. Well, there you go. Bitcoin's trying. What the fuck? I'm watching on KuCoin. It looks like it's just on Binance. Looks like a liquidation. Yeah, it's nowhere else but on Binance. Bitcoin's holding up relatively well. Ethereum is probably back inside. Yeah, it's back inside. Okay. Okay. Just crazy. Looks like just a liquidation or a forced sell. Someone closed their long position, it looks like. A pretty big one. Can't talk. Gala BTC is still doing its thing. Recovered it. Ethereum recovered it. Like, that's pretty big, I think. It's at least trying to show up. It's trying to. It's trying to give us a chance, guys, and I appreciate Ethereum's effort at this point. It is trying to give us a chance, and that's all we need. Oh man, how's Waves? Waves looks pretty strong, honestly. Ugh, I hate me on the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5 so I don't feel like a total shitbag. So the 1 hour breaker's holding up so far. Ethereum has reclaimed this level, sort of. Band is holding up relatively well. This is the area that I was looking to accumulate anyway, so like I really don't want to sell right here. I don't know if that's too far down of a stop loss. What's my average entry? Oh, fuck. 2% loss. That's pretty aggressive. Mm, stupid ass Ethereum. My wife's just getting home. Just be aware, guys. So I'll have to be spending some time with her, of course, very soon. I think my best play here, I think I'm going to go ahead and just close out my positions. 'Cause I can't monitor it anymore. I'm just this whole position just really, I'm out of position a bit. I don't like it. I feel like it's more like gambling than actually trading at this point. And I don't really like doing that, so I'm probably going to go ahead and close it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close it, guys. Just because my wife just got home. I want to spend time with her, of course, and I don't feel as comfortable about this as I did a few minutes ago. Ethereum hasn't lost it yet. At the same time, though, like it doesn't look as clean as it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Um, sucks. Not happy about this whole situation, y'all. I'm really not. Pretty pissed about it. But whatever. Is what it is, right? Risk preservation or capital preservation's key, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. 1 947. Yeah, that's my play. Stop it. Yep. I don't like this, but at the same time, though, I'm going to go ahead and just close it so I lessen my risk. And that's such an important thing, guys. And it really sucks, but you know, it is what it is. And then after that, I'm going to be done. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream, and then I will just see you guys in the next one, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and close position, take a small loss, and move on with my day. Sound good? All right. I'm out, guys. Have a good one. I'm out. Like always, deuces, boys. Have a good one.